The turtle and the drone birds. The forest of Greenhollow was dying. Rivers dried, leaves wilted, and animals struggled to survive. One day, two AI-powered drone birds, Aero and Venti, arrived. Sent by scientists to monitor the ecosystem. Most animals feared them, but Taro, an old turtle, approached them with curiosity. "You're not like the birds I know," he said. "We are here to help," Aero replied. The drones guided animals to hidden water pockets, predicted storms, and taught them survival techniques. Taro became their closest friend. One day, Taro overheard humans discussing shutting down the drone program due to budget cuts. Panicked, he told the animals about the drone's secret sanctuary, a place filled with advanced tech and resources. Chaos erupted. Predators and prey fought over access. The sanctuary was damaged. Aero and Venti malfunctioned. Then a wildfire broke out. Taro realized his mistake. He rallied the animals. "We caused this together. We fix it together." They repaired the sanctuary, cleared debris, and rebooted the drones. Aero and Venti awoke, weak but functional. The forest learned a powerful lesson. Technology can help, but harmony requires responsibility.